Question. This is NEET 2050 from Mechanical Properties of Solid in 11th standard. So please listen the question. The approximate depth of an ocean is 2700 meter. The compressibility of water is 45.4 into 10 power minus 11 Pascal. And the density of the water is 10 power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Then what fractional compression of water will be obtained at the bottom of the ocean? So here, now they are asking what fractional compression. That means that is delta V divided by V is asking, because due to the compression that some fractional changes in volume only. So this only asking in the question. So what are the given data? The first one, depth is given, that is I written as h is equal to 2700 meter, and then compressibility. So compressibility, this represented by the letter is K. So one more thing, the compressibility is nothing but the reciprocal of bulk modulus. So that value is given as, that is 45.4 into 10 power minus 11 per Pascal. Then the density of liquid, that is a water, that is rho is equal to 10 power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Okay. Now they are asking some that what are the fractional compression, that is delta V divided by V is asking. Okay. So we know this is start from, there is a bulk modulus concept. So the bulk modulus concept, that is a bulk modulus is equal to bulk stress divided by bulk strain. So that equations, that is pressure divided by, that is delta V divided by V with the negative sign. Okay, because while compressing, the volume is reducing. So that is the meaning here. I mean, this negative sign is represent that alone. But now we don't bother about this negative sign. Okay, now let's see for this answer. Therefore, we know that here there is a comparison between bulk modulus and then the compressibility. So now I can write the compressibility, that is a K is equal to 1 divided by B. So it is a reciprocal value you can write as, that is delta V divided by V, then divide by, it is that pressure. Okay, therefore we can write delta V divided by V is equal to, that means this term equal to pressure into compressibility. Pressure into compressibility. So we know that the pressure exerted by the liquid, that is P is equal to H rho G. Okay, right. So now we can write this formula here. Instead of the pressure, H rho G, then this K, that is compressibility. Now we can substitute the value. So H is nothing but, that is the depth of the sea, that is 2700. I can write 27 into 10 power 2. Next, rho is the density of water, that is 10 power 3. Next, G is taken as, is gravity taken as 10. And then K value is given, that is a compressibility value, that is 45.4 into 10 power minus 11 per Pascal. Okay. So now listen, 27 into 45.4. The remaining, here 2, here 3. So totally 5. Then here 1, 6. So 6 minus 11, that is 10 power minus 5. Okay. So now we can multiply this one. So we can get, that is 27 So 45.4 into 27. So we can write, so 28 d8 2, then 35 plus 2 37, meaning 3, again 28 3 31. Okay, then again second table, so we can write 8, then 10, remaining 1, then 9. So 8 15, then 2, then 12. So here one decimal, so I can get 1225.8. So I can write now 1225.8, okay, into 10 power minus 5. Okay, so here no place, so I can write here. Please listen. So finally I can write, that is delta V divided by V is equal to, so just you compare the option. So we know that that is 1.2, because 1 2 3 decimal, so this become converted as this 10 power minus 2. So 1.2 into 10 power minus 2. So this is the answer. Okay, satisfied with the option B.